Welcome to this week's blog. This week's blog, keeping in the theme of transformation for May, we're focusing on food and its role in transformation. So obviously nutrition is so important, and I believe that every meal is an opportunity to renew our cells and to inject vitamins and minerals and nutrients and rejuvenation into our bodies biochemically, which then will translate into our mood, how we think and feel, our actions, our habits, and how we show up in the world. It is also the fuel that we need to perform everyday tasks, but not only that, to transform, for transformation. So I highly recommend eating well, but if you are particularly going through something difficult in your life, change, and a transformation, then I highly recommend that you need more than the recommended daily intake of nutrients. And so many of us are not getting our recommended daily intake of fruits and vegetables every day. So what I thought I'd do in this blog was I have done so much research on various different theories of how to nourish our bodies on a cellular level to maximize repair. And I've researched so many different studies and different doctors, and my passion is to find other people with stories of recovery. How did they do it? And so what I've done is I've put a snapshot summary of all that I've learned, all the golden nuggets about how to maximize repair with nutrition every single day for you. So I really hope you enjoy this week's blog. Learning all about that, and I've got lots of research and links for you. Hydration is also really important, so make sure you're drinking about 8 glasses a day. What I love doing is I've flooded my office and my home with beautiful herbal teas, and I sip on them all day. So make it fun, you know, put flavour in. Rosemary or lemon in water is beautiful as well. And another opportunity to nourish yourself emotionally. So I've also got some tips here and all the different things that you need to know to maximize repair, and I'll see you next week.